Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to activate your Discover credit card, ensuring you're ready to enjoy all the benefits it offers. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the activation process, make sure you have your Discover credit card and personal information at hand. You will need your full card number, your social security number, and other identifying details. Step 2. Visit the activation website. Open your web browser and go to the official Discover credit card activation page. You can find this by entering Discover Card Activation in your preferred search engine or by directly visiting www.discover.com. Activate. Step 3. Enter your card details. Once you are on the activation page, input the required information. This typically includes your 16-digit card number and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Make sure all details are entered correctly to avoid any issues. Step 4. Confirm your identity. After you've entered your card details, you may be prompted to answer security questions to verify your identity. This could involve answering questions based on your credit history or personal information. Step 5. Complete the activation. Once you've confirmed your identity, follow the prompts to complete the activation process. You should see a confirmation message once your card has been successfully activated. Step 6. Set up your online account, optional. If you haven't already, consider setting up an online account with Discover. This will allow you to manage your account, view transactions, and make payments easily online. Step 7. Start using your card. Now that your Discover credit card is activated, you can start using it for purchases wherever Discover is accepted. Remember to take advantage of any rewards or cashback offers that come with your card. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy spending with your new Discover card!